Welcome to Standard Part of the Month webinar series. In this webinar, I will be describing the features and benefits of our blower motor resistor products, highlighting the RU730. I will be doing a short presentation on blower resistors, how they work, and what goes wrong, and I will also provide a tip or two along the way. If you have any questions, please contact your local representative. At Standard, we manufacture high-quality replacement parts that match fit, form, and function of the original, and we have many that are better than OEM. On top of that, we test them to ensure performance and reliability. As a basic manufacturer, we have complete control over the finished goods and the components. We are able to produce low volume, new model introduction, and problem solvers. Our engineering staff can change any inherent problems and design to the correct motor speed, improving product life. We can design special connectors, brackets, and build EMI protection in, as well as add waterproofing enhancements. The blower motor resistor controls the electrical current flowing from the fan switch to the blower fan. This allows the motorist to set the fan at different speeds. The fan speed can be changed either by switching the blower motor resistance mechanically or using a rotating level, or electronically by the air conditioning system. The change in resistance limits the current through the motor, which dictates the speed at which the blower motor spins. For a breakdown of the features and benefits of our units, let's look at the RU631. A heat sink is a passive heat exchanger that transfers heat generated by the electronic device to another medium, often copper, air, or liquid coolant, where it can be dissipated away from the device or internal components. Ours use 2 full ounces of copper for thermal conductivity of 231 BTUs. This is higher than any other metal except silver. Copper has a 60% better thermal conductivity rating than aluminum and a 3,000% better rating than stainless steel. Keeping moisture out is probably the most important feature regarding anything electric. This is why we redesigned the cover to work like an umbrella. The moisture will simply run off the module instead of into the module. Continuing on that line of reasoning, sealants are used to block penetration of liquids, gases, dust, and other contaminants by creating an adhesive barrier. RTV stands for room temperature vulcanization. RTV silicone will begin to cure immediately upon being exposed to air, as opposed to curing agents in water-based sealants, like for example latex. It lends itself well to working as a sealer because it is water repellent, adhesive, and holds its shape. Unlike most of our competitors, we make these here in the United States. Most of our competitors come from China. Put it all together, our RU631 blower motor resistor features several improvements over the OE, including umbrella design that prevents water intrusion, larger output power device, and upgraded 2-ounce copper board that protects against overheating. Larger output power device mounted directly to the heatsink improves heat dissipation. Umbrella cover design prevents condensation from entering the module. Overvoltage EMI and current limit protection is included. Copper conductors improve connectivity and power dissipation. Trilingual instructions in each box come in French, Spanish, and English. With more than 750 blower motor resistors in the line, Standard, TechSmart, and Intermotor offer full-line coverage for domestic and import applications. To help restore proper HVAC function, Standard, TechSmart, and Intermotor manufacture high-quality replacements that match fit, form, and function of the original. On top of that, we end-of-line test them to ensure performance and reliability. The problem is, due to technological advances of today's automotive heating and cooling systems, the blower motor resistors have high amounts of current running through them and their connectors. As a result, the current produces heat that can melt the connector and the resistor. A bad or going bad blower motor draws too much current for the connectors to handle. In the kit, one is a 2-wire pigtail coming off the resistor going to the blower motor. This one is hard to reach. Use a small screwdriver to release the connector tab. The other is a 7-wire connector from the AC control head. This connector should be inspected for damage. It's very common to find a melted connection here that would require a pigtail connector to be replaced. This connector comes with the resistor unit, but is available separately. The small connector is a S1591, and the large connector is the S1619. Providing a high-quality solution for melted connectors, TechSmart is proud to offer a line of high-temp blower motor resistor connectors. Each part features TXL copper wiring to withstand high electric current and reduce heat-related failures. Additionally, each part features high-temp connector that undergoes testing and thermal cycling to withstand temperatures ranging from -22 degrees to 257 F. On most full-size GM trucks and SUVs from 2001 to 2007, the blower motor resistor has two common failures: water damage and excess heat. The GM vehicles are unable to manage condensation. If the duct is clogged, condensation will collect, creating a pool of water that will seep into and flood the blower motor resistor module. Worn OE blower motors can create high demand for current that also damages the module. The excess current melts the wiring and the plastic shroud, damaging the interface pins on the controller's circuit board. Thank you for your attention and happy selling!